Hello, my name is Jenny Arenas. I am a public accounting student. For this year activity, I am a doctor. I am going to give some recommendations for reading health, life, and preventing disease. First recommendation: healthy hygiene. Hide fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and healthy fats. And second recommendation, physical activity, exercise regularity, choose walking, running, swim, or for dancing for legs 150 minutes awake. Three recommendation, personal hygiene. Wash your hands frequently, maintain good oral hygiene, and bathe regularly. For for recommendation about toxic habits, and don't smoke, limit alcohol consumption, and avoid drug use. For recommendation, quiet sleep, get 7 or 8 hours of quality sleep per night. And see recommendation, street management, practice relation language, and choose meditation or yoga. And finally, seven recommendation, medical checkups. And she a doctor regularity to detect aliens early. Thank you for very attention. Goodbye.